Hello, everyone, and welcome back to OGA Academy. We continue today with our back office series, and we will be devoting this entire video to understanding the information contained in the Recent Orders panel. As you can see from the panel itself, information includes the order date, number, total paid for it, and also the qualification volume points associated with that particular purchase. This information is given for the last 2 orders. This is a quick and easy way to check what were the last couple orders and also if you are getting the right amount of points you need for qualification or star achiever purposes so far in the month. However, if there is need to check in more detail previous orders, feel free to click on the icon within the panel, and that in turn will redirect you to the following screen. Here we have a series of columns showing all the details pertaining to each and every order ever done, from the back office itself or through our customer service department. Information will show you what type of order it is, the order number, the date it was placed, how much is the price per item of product, the total paid including shipping and taxes, the status and shipment state. We would like to stop here for a little while to explain further about the difference between these two. So, the fact that an order has been recently placed will be identified with a shipment state named as ready. However, once it enters the warehouse line of assemblage, it will change to status assembled, only changing to shipped once it is with a specific courier used in every country to deliver the packages. This is independent of the status of the order that depends on the payment state, that is, balance due or failed when the order was unpaid or payment failed for various reasons, or complete when payment was successfully captured. We then can see the tracking number column. The number shown here corresponds to the tracking information that can be gathered from the website belonging to the courier company utilized in each country. For example, in the United States, it is UPS. In Italy, it's Bartolini, and in Mexico, Estafeta. This number is actually a clickable link, so when accessed, we are redirected to the tracking information directly. We finally have information about the commissionable period toward which the qualification and commission volumes are counted for. As you can see, you have all the information necessary and required to keep best track of your orders and know how you are doing in terms of points for qualification purposes as well. Please take full advantage of this tool as you navigate through your back office. We have reached the end of this video, but please feel free to share your comments and thoughts about it with us. We hope to see you all back in our next lesson of this back office series. Thanks so much for your attention.